Hi, I'm Eric Folks, and today we're going to talk about signing out of the big three: apps, Gmail, and Wi-Fi. There are lots of different apps that you could potentially sign into, including cloud storage, but also lots of other ones. You also have access to Gmail and getting onto our network, but it's important that in your iPad to your teacher that you sign out of these things. This is to avoid other students being on the network or having access to your Gmail or your Dropbox or whatever your cloud storage is and deleting your stuff. It is your responsibility and not the teacher's to make sure you take these steps every time before you turn the iPad into your teacher. So first, let's sign out of every app that you've signed into. Here's Dropbox over here. It's just one of many different cloud storage solutions, but there's also different apps like mind mapping apps. One of my favorites is MindMeister. Lots of different apps that you could potentially sign into to access some of the content or be able to save some of your own content. A tip: use the Notes app to keep a list of all the apps you've signed into so that you don't have to rely on your memory and go through and find out which ones you've signed into or not. Each app is going to have a different way of signing out. This is the way it looks in Dropbox. So you go into Settings and click Unlink iPad from Dropbox. This is the way it looks like in Evernote. So you'll see there's a little cog. This is pretty typical in a lot of different apps. And then a logout button in the top right-hand corner there. Here's what it looks like in Box.net, another cloud storage solution. Again, note the little cog to get into your settings and then the option to sign out on the top right. Second thing, sign out of your school-issued Gmail. If you go into the settings, you're going to click on Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. Once in there, you're going to see all the different accounts that you've got set up, and then you're going to click on the account that you've set up with your name. If you left it default, it may just say Gmail, but when you click on that account, it's going to bring up this option, and we're looking to delete the account. It's not actually going to delete our email, just the account will be removed from the iPad. Okay, third thing, and this is the very last thing that we do. In the Wi-Fi section in our settings, we're going to click on LISD sec right over here. This little white arrow with a blue background, and that's to get into the settings for that particular Wi-Fi network. Once you get in there, you're going to see this, and you're going to choose to forget the network, and you're going to confirm, yes, I do want to forget, and then you can get back to where you were clicking there, or Wi-Fi, and then you can turn off the Wi-Fi. And that's it. You've completed everything you need to. Well done.